Let's open some Disney items from Korea. My sister is living in South Korea right now teaching English. I'm so proud of her, and all of my family went to visit her in October. Unfortunately, I couldn't afford to visit between my family visiting me in September and then our Disney trip this month. I just financially couldn't afford it. But they brought me back some Disney items, which I was not expecting, and I'm very touched that they thought of me. So I think this is the shop they got it from. They sent me this bag as well. So I'm going to assume this was like a package deal. But they're all blind boxes, so I thought we could open them together. So first off, we have this like pirate themed Disney blind box. It looks so cute. I love the like Pirates of the Caribbean vibe it has. And honestly, between all these characters, they're all adorable. I really have no, like, I don't want that one or anything like that. So let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, but I think we got Chip because a little card fell out and it's Chip. Look at him. Oh my god, he's wearing Smee's outfit. Stop, that's so cute. Oh my god, I love him. Also, Jess asked me this while we were at Disney because we saw Chip and Dale a few times, and she asked me how to tell the difference. Chip has a chocolate chip nose, and Dale has the big red nose, kind of like Rudolph. He's so cute. Obsessed already. And then we've got these two blind boxes. They're not really boxes, they're more like just like blind packages. They're like Funko Pop minis, but they come in like, as you can see, like little itty bitty boxes. I think it's absolutely adorable. I've seen these before. So I'm really excited. Like I said, there's really no princess on here that I would be unhappy with. They're all adorable. Who doesn't love Disney princesses? Let's see who we got. The funny thing is, like 10 plus years ago, I would have been photographing every angle of the packaging for references. And now I'm just tearing right into it without a care. Who did we get? We got Tiana! Do you see her? She's in her blue, like, the gown she's wearing when she wishes on the star. Absolutely precious. I love her. I'm obsessed with mini things, so this is right up my alley. I'm so glad my family thought of me. Anytime they see Disney, they think of me, but I'm just really happy they thought of me with itty bitty little things like this. And the second of the two is all, like, classic characters. Again, nothing I'd be unhappy with. I'm really hoping to get Sorcerer Mickey. He's my favorite version of Mickey. But honestly, I love all of the Fab Fives, so I would not be unhappy. How funny would it be if I got Chip again or if I got Dale? That'd be like really great. Okay, let's do this. It's not Sorcerer Mickey, but it's a gold Minnie Mouse, which I think is pretty special. So that's so cool. I just love this itty bitty little box. I'm obsessed. I do not have a Tiana or a Minnie Mouse, like, actual Funko, so I was gonna say how cute would it be if I could put them, like, side by side with their, like, bigger counterpart, but I don't actually own them. Also, I think they come out of the box. Oh my god, that's so cute. Let me see if Tiana does that. Minnie was just a little bit loose. I think that's how she came out. Okay, I love it. So you can like display them with or without the box. That is so precious. Love it. And the last thing they actually got me is not Disney, but they got me some Pokemon cards. So I think I should open these as well, but in a different video because this is all Disney, so yeah. So make sure you come back to see me open the Pokemon cards as well. But honestly, what a great little haul. I love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me, family, and I hope we can go to Korea again some other time and I can join you. Thanks for watching. Bye!